World famous foods. Today, from New York City, we got some curry pork chops. Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna season our pork chops. A little bit of salt, black pepper. We're doing this on both sides, okay? I want to show you one side. A little paprika, and some curry powder. Okay, alrighty. Time to fry our pork chops now. Okay, we're going to turn these. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to take our pork chops out. Oh yeah. Alright, so now we're going to add our onions. Then we're going to add some curry powder. Some Garam Masala. And some turmeric. Smelling really good already. Turn this down a little bit. Gonna add some ginger also. You know, ginger enhances the curry. Add some garlic. Gonna add some water. At the same time, add some habanero. Right, now we're going to add our pork chops back to this mixture. All those juices in there, all those juices in there. Okay, folks, pork chops are ready. Let's turn off the stove. And we're going to serve this with some white rice. All right, folks, there you go. Curried pork chops.